Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Decathlon products online in 2026. For that, first of all, you can either come here on Decathlon website, or you can also download the Decathlon mobile application on your phone. Just make sure that you are shopping through the correct regional platform for accurate pricing, delivery options, and product availability. Now, when you are here, you just have to log in into your account first. Then on the home page, you can select all sports, men, women, and kids. Afterwards, you just have to select those products which you are interested in buying. After selecting the product, simply just click on the option of add to cart. Now, once the product is added in your cart, you just have to click on the option of cart. Now, click on the option of shop now. Now, when you do this, you will be landed here on this particular checkout page where you just have to click on the option of checkout. Now, you will see a bunch of different payment options as well. Like we have Stripe, then we have PayPal and Google Pay. So you can choose any of these payment methods, and then you just have to basically make the payment. And as soon as you do this, you can view it in your orders history section, and you are going to get your product at your doorstep within 3 to 4 days. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.